Imagine a car so fast, it bends the very idea of speed.
Today, we unleash the all-electric Rimac Nevera on the scorching asphalt of Dubai Autodrome.
4 electric motors, nearly 2,000 horsepower, no engine noise, just raw intent. 0 to insanity in seconds.
Quad motor torque vectoring tears through corners.
No roar, no drama, just brutal, surgical violence against the laws of motion.
This is what happens when software, electricity, and obsession collide.
Not the future of hypercars, this is the benchmark.
Silent, savage, unstoppable. Hypercar history, made today.